So we're going to fill in our notes. The distributive property allows us to multiply each term inside the parentheses by the number, and that's said twice, sorry, by the number outside the parentheses. Algebraically, we would say A parentheses B plus C equals, we're going to distribute them to each. So A, B, and then we're going to keep the sign that's in there. AB plus AC. So for this one, A parentheses B minus C, we're going to distribute the same, but we're going to keep the sign in the middle. So we get AB subtract AC. Be careful with your sign when multiplying positives. That's supposed to say positive, sorry, positives and negatives. So I'm just going to show you a little example. So for example, we have 4 parentheses x plus 2. We're going to distribute each of them by multiplying them. So 4 times x is represented by 4x. Keep the sign, add. 4 times 2 is 8. So let's say we had negative 5x minus 7. We're going to distribute that to each. So negative times positive 5x is negative 5x. Negative times a negative 7 is going to be a positive 7. Just like that. So you're distributing each of them. Alright, say we had 14 minus 6 parentheses 3x minus 1.5. So we're going to take this part right here and distribute it. So the 14 stays for right now. Negative 6 times 3x is negative 6 times 3, which is negative 18. X, and negative times a negative 1.5 is going to be a positive. So we get 9. And then we're going to combine like terms. So we get 14 and 9, and we add them together, which is 23 minus 18x. Alright, so we're going to go back to our notes, and we're going to continue filling in our stuff. So right here, we're going to go with the goal in solving an equation is to isolate. So we're going to write isolate. Isolate the variable by using inverse or opposite operation. So step to solve. We're going to distribute. We're going to combine any like terms, isolate the variable, use addition subtraction to remove the constant, use multiplication division to remove the coefficient. Just like that. How can you check your solution after solving? You could check it by plugging in the solution back into the original. So plugging the solution into the original equation and working it out to see if it is right.